Hey everyone, welcome to today's explainer. We're diving into a super precise action word, bisect. Let's get started.
So, imagine you draw a line straight through the exact middle of a shape. What's that cut called?
It's called bisect, pronounced B-I-C-E-S-K, and honestly, its superpower is just pure, absolute mathematical precision. Let's play word detective real quick. Looking at its Latin roots, bi means two, and sect means to cut.
You've definitely seen that bi prefix before, right? Think of everyday stuff like a bicycle, binary, or bilingual.
And that sect root builds the noun bisection, plus familiar cutting words you know, like section or dissect.
Here is the big takeaway, especially for geometry. A true bisect literally has to create two equal halves.
This word totally shines in math class. It perfectly describes drawing a line to split an angle exactly in two.
But it's not just for math. Imagine a brand new railroad coming in and completely bisecting a farm.
It also works perfectly when a hiking trail forks into two completely equal paths right in front of you.
Now don't confuse it with divide or intersect. Only bisect actually guarantees that exact 50-50 split.
Okay, your turn. Look around the room right now. What physical object could you perfectly bisect today?